What's up guys, welcome back to K's Daily Programming. This is part 13 of our SQL fundamentals, and in today's video we'll be talking about the AND operator. And if you haven't watched the first videos or the video where we talked about the OR operator, I suggest that you watch that video first before you watch this one. I'll put the link to that video or the link to the full series in the description box below. So without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into this. Like I said, if you haven't watched the video where we talked about our OR operator, I suggest that you watch that video before you watch this one, because this is just going to make more sense if you understand the OR concept before we come into the AND concept. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the AND operator. So what the AND operator does is, it acts almost the same as the OR operator, but with the AND operator, all your specified conditions must be met for those records to be returned. So if you look at the query that we have on our screen right now, so this is the query where we say give us all columns from the table marks where a mark is greater than 50 or the module ID is equal to IFS 003. And if you look at our output here at the table, all the records that we're getting here, it's either the mark is greater than 50 or the module ID is equal to the specified module ID. So that's what the OR operator does. The OR operator says, if one of the specified condition is met, return that column. But with the AND operator, the AND operator says all the specified conditions must be met for that column to be returned. So if I were to cancel or replace the OR here with our AND operator, what I expect is I expect the output where the mark is greater than 50 and the module ID is equal to IFS 003. So if I just execute this, and you can see that the record we're getting now, our module ID is equal to IFS 003 and our mark it's greater than 50. So this is similar to the OR operator, but you just have to know that with the AND operator, all the specified conditions, they have to be met. And yes, of course, we can use more than two conditions. Let's just introduce a third condition there, and then we can say AND student ID is equal to. So let's just copy one student ID there. Let's paste it there, the best invention by mankind, and then we execute this query. So what I'm expecting now is, I'm expecting a record or records where the mark is greater than 50, the module ID is IFS 003, and student ID is equal to our specified student ID. So if I execute this query, since this record here, the highlighted record, the student ID is not the same as what is specified, I don't expect this record anymore. I only expect the first one because it's the only one that meets the specified condition. It's the only one that has a mark of 50 and the module ID it's IFS 003 and the student ID is what we specified here. So let's just execute that, and now you can see that we only have one record. So like I said, you just have to remember that the AND operator works similar as the OR operator, but the AND operator, all the specified conditions must be met for the records to be returned. And the OR operator, if any of the specified condition is met, that record is returned. And of course, you can use the two on a single query. You can combine the AND and the OR operator on a single query, but I'll show you guys that in the next coming video. So that was pretty much what I had to say about the AND operator. There's not much into it. So if you guys have watched this far, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.